Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by quickly auditing visibility and switching to a professional account so search features unlock. Once done, research 10 niche keywords and 5 common audience search phrases. Use tools or Instagram search suggestions. Then, update your username, display name, and bio to include the highest impact keyword naturally so Instagram reads relevance. Also prepare a content theme list tied to those keywords. This is your immediate roadmap for creating discoverable posts and captions. Next, focus on on-post optimization. Put your primary keyword early in the caption and within the first 125 characters so previews show relevance. Make sure every image or reel has descriptive alt text and use location tags when relevant. These increase search signals. Create keyword-rich hashtags, but prioritize niche and branded tags, and include transcripts or subtitles on reels so Instagram can index spoken words. Finally, maintain consistent post templates and savable formats to encourage saves and shares, which boost ranking. To finish, measure results. Track impressions, saves, and follows coming from search and note which keywords drive traffic. Once you have data, /B test captions, tag sets, and posting times weekly, then schedule high-value posts during peak activity. Make sure you engage quickly with comments to amplify signals. If discoverability stays low, check account visibility and rename fields to include clearer keywords. Then boost engagement through collaborations and pinned posts. This troubleshooting step usually resolves most ranking problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.